What if the first home that you can actually afford isn't a house at all? Hey there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. And if you're feeling stuck between rising prices and endless rent, well, I want to show you why townhomes are one of the smartest moves for first-time home buyers. Now, look, I know townhomes don't always get the spotlight, but they can actually be one of the best options for first-time home buyers. And here's why. First is affordability. Townhomes usually come with a lower price tag than single-family homes, and that means smaller down payment, smaller monthly payments, and a chance to actually buy a home sooner. Second is low maintenance. Now, most townhomes are part of an HOA. So things like lawn, exterior maintenance, roof repairs, and sometimes even your water bill might be taken care of. And that's huge when you're just starting out and you don't want surprise costs popping up left and right. The third is location. Now, townhomes tend to be in really convenient areas, close to your work, shopping, restaurants, entertainment. I mean, you don't have to move in the middle of nowhere just to afford something. And yes, they do hold value. Now, in a lot of growing markets, townhomes are appreciating just like detached homes. So it's not about just getting in, it's about building equity from day one. Now, are there some trade-offs? Of course. You might give up a little yard space, follow some HOA rules, but that's exactly why I'm here to walk you through it and figure out if a townhome really fits your lifestyle and your long-term goals. So if you've been thinking about buying a home and you need somebody who's in your corner to keep it real, but also make it simple, well, I'm here to answer your questions. So give me a call, text me, or you can even message the word townhome and we'll go over your options. I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks, bye.